to my YouTube channel Hassan Tech. Today I can tell you about the human body system. If we were to break apart the human body at the microscopic level, then the cell would constitute its most basic unit. The average adult has somewhere between 30 to 40 trillion cells and can estimated to 42 billion new cells are produced every day. When a select group of cells with similar functions come together, it forms a tissue. Tissues accumulate into organs, group of organs form organ systems and eventually a complete organism. Cells, tissues, organs, organ system, organism. Human anatomy, human psychology, circulatory system, digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory system, nervous system, and key points about the human body. First of all, I can tell you about human anatomy. Skeleton. The human body exhibits a variety of movements from walking and running to crawling, jumping, and climbing. The framework that enables us to do all these activities is the skeleton. Humans have as much as 300 bones at birth. However, the bones start to fuse with age. At adulthood, the total number of bones is reduced to 206. As writing, opening a bottle of water, opening a doorknob, etc. This is the result of humans having ancestors that began walking on their hind limbs rather than using all four limbs. Most of our anatomical insight was gained through the dissection of corpses, cadavers, and for a long time, it was the only way we could gain anatomical knowledge about the human body. It was a rather grotesque affair, but it made up the bulk of medical literature for centuries. These days, technological innovation has made it possible to explore human anatomy at a microscopic level. Even to this day, scientists are newly discovering organs that were previously overlooked or have been mistakenly identified as other existing tissues. In 2018, scientists had discovered a new body wide organ called the interstitium that exists right under the skin. Human psychology. It is referred to the physical, mechanical, and biochemical function of humans. This connects health, medicine, and science in a way that studies how the human body acquaints itself to physical activity, stress, and diseases. The person who is trained to study human psychology is called a psychologist. Claude Bernard is referred to as the father of psychology for his exemplary research. Human body parts and their functions. The list of human body parts vary as the standard definition of an organ is still up for debate. However, there are an estimated 79 organs identified to date. We also possess organs that have lost their function throughout our evolution. Such organs are called vestigial organs. Some of these organs work together and from systems that are specialized to perform a specific function or a set of functions. Collectively, these are known as organ system. And out of these 79 organs, 5 are crucial for survival, and any damage to these 5 organs might result in termination of life. These 5 crucial human body parts are the brain, heart, liver, lungs, and kidneys. Read on to explore more about these body parts and their functions in detail. Now, the next part of the video coming soon.